Before you close your eyes tonight, take a deep breath. And listen carefully, this moment is yours. A moment to reflect, to let go, and to prepare for a new day. Maybe today wasn't perfect. Maybe you faced challenges, made mistakes, or felt like you didn't do enough. But understand this: you are human, and you are growing. You don't need to have everything figured out right now. Life is a journey, not a race. Every step you take, no matter how small, moves you forward. Tomorrow is a fresh start, a new chance to be better, to try again, to chase your dreams with renewed energy. The past is gone, and it does not define your future. Forgive yourself for your mistakes. Learn from them, but do not carry their weight into tomorrow. You deserve peace. You deserve rest. You are stronger than you think. Every challenge you face is shaping you into the person you're meant to be. Growth happens in the moments of struggle, and strength is built in silence, in patience, in perseverance. Right now, let go of the thoughts that trouble you. Let go of the doubt, the fear, the stress. None of it belongs in your dreams. You are safe, you are capable, you are enough. Now, relax, trust the process, and allow yourself to rest. Your mind and body deserve this moment of peace. Sleep well, and remember, tomorrow is yours to conquer.